What will skiing be like after COVID-19? COVID-19 coronavirus has of course impacted our way of life, skiing and snowboarding included. So, what skiing will look like for this coming ski season? Regulations are starting to ease, but are still changing frequently, so it's hard to know exactly how things will work. However, some ski resorts in Australia are open, so we can glean some good clues from them as to how things could operate in the Northern Hemisphere this coming winter. Here are some of the rules and regulations they are using in Australian ski resorts to keep guests safe and healthy during their ski trips. Social distancing. 1. Reduced capacity. Ski resorts will operate at 50% capacity to enable social distancing measures as per current government guidelines. 2. Physical distancing. Guests are requested to maintain 5 feet physical distance from other people at all times in resorts. 3. Limited numbers and signage. Numbers of people in ski and board rental shops, retail and lift ticket offices will be limited, with signage indicating where guests should stand to keep safe social distancing indoors. 4. Restaurants. Restaurant operations and indoor seating will be limited, so guests are encouraged to bring their own lunch and snacks. New outdoor seating will be provided. 5. Chairlifts. Guests who live together will be allowed to ride lifts together, but others need to physically distance. Lift queues will be redesigned to keep social distancing. 6. Lift capacity. Only one person is allowed to ride each T-bar, double or triple chairlift. Only 2 people per quad chairlift and 3 per 8 people chairlift, all unless you're with people you live with. Mandatory pre-purchasing. 7. Lift tickets. As capacity in the ski resort is limited, guests will be required to pre-purchase lift passes online. A limited range of lessons will be available to pre-purchase with limits per government guidelines. 8. Ski rental. Ski, board, boot and helmet rental will be available with additional sanitization and organization in place. All will need to be pre-purchased online. Cash will not be accepted in officially operated outlets. Hygiene. 9. Practice good hygiene. New mobile hand washing and sanitization stations will be positioned around the ski resort, especially in high touchpoint areas like restaurants. Stringent cleaning is in place in all facilities such as restrooms. 10. Stay home. If guests feel unwell, they are asked to stay at home. Employees will not be permitted to work if they have symptoms, have traveled internationally, tested positive, or been in contact with a COVID-19 case in the last 14 days. How happy are you with the COVID crisis? Are you planning any ski trips for this upcoming winter? Comment below, and subscribe for news.